Okay, today in math we are going to learn about a polygon. So I'm going to read to you a story. It's called If You Were a Polygon. A polygon is a flat closed figure with 3 or more straight lines. If you were a polygon, you could be found on the street. And do you see the polygon on this page? Yes, it is the sign. It could be up in the sky or it could be on a house. If you were a polygon, you would be a flat, closed figure with 3 or more sides. All your sides would be straight. And these tables are not polygons. And I hope you could tell me why. Because Pete and Patty shop for a new kitchen table. Some tables are polygons and some are not. And then these are polygon tables. And they wanted the one that is pink. And they liked the pink table because it was a polygon. So, if you were a polygon, you would be a regular polygon. All of your sides would be the same length. All your angles would be the same measure too. Piper obeys each regular polygon she sees. She stops at a stop sign and she waits at the yield sign. And she slows down at the crossing sign to let her friends pass slowly. If you were a polygon, you could be an irregular polygon. All your sides would not be the same length, or your angles would not be the same measure. Howard, Hillary, and their 3 little hippos fly kites in the park. Each kite is an irregular polygon. If you were a polygon, the points of which your sides meet would be called vertices. One point is called a vertex. Ozzy and his friends cut paper stars and hang them. Each star has 12 points or vertices. See if you can see those. If you were a polygon, you would be a triangle. You would have 3 sides. Dougal draws his dream house. The roof is shaped like a triangle. If you were a polygon, you could be a square or a rectangle. You could have 4 sides. Dougal draws square windows. The door is shaped like a rectangle. If you were a polygon, you could be a pentagon. You could have 5 sides. The forest animals welcome their new bird neighbors. 5 squirrels hold a sign shaped like a pentagon. And how many sides does a pentagon have? Count them up. If you were a polygon, you would be a hexagon with 6 sides, or you could be a heptagon with 7 sides. 6 rabbits hold a sign shaped like a hexagon, and 7 mice hold a heptagon shaped sign. If you were a polygon, you could be an octagon. You could have 8 sides. Ollie the octopus sleeps in a bed shaped like an octagon. And if you were a polygon, you could be a nonagon. You could have 9 sides. Carly and her 8 sisters sleep in a nonagon-shaped bed. Each cat gets one side of the bed. If you were a polygon, you could be a decagon. You could have 10 sides. Beautiful paintings hang in the Decagon Museum. Each painting has 10 sides. You could have at least 3 straight sides if you were a polygon. So I'm going to show you a picture and see if we can name all of our polygons on this page here. What is the 3-sided one called? It is called a, wait for it, a triangle. 2. How many sides does number 2 have? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What is that called? Wait for it. A hexagon? You're right. Number 3 is our kite-shaped one. And how many sides does it have? It has 4. But it is called a kite. Or a diamond-shaped, as I've heard it called as well. Number 4. We know what number 4 is. It has 4 sides. And what is our special shape called? Wait for it. It's a square. Number 5. What is number 5? What is that shape called? Yes, it is called a triangle.
Okay.
And number 6 is a circle. But is that a polygon? We'll have to think about that. All right. So we will finish up our study with a polygon as we watch our video.